Good afternoon, my name is Slade Sackerman. I'm here at Fort Myers MarineMax. Today I'm showing you an Abaco Blue Boston Whaler year 2020 32 Vantage. Beautiful boat, pretty rare to have a painted boat. Mostly they're jug coat colors, but this is a beautiful Abaco Blue color. I'm going to walk you through the boat and point out some key features. Starting at the aft, I came through the dive door. We have a fold out rear seat here, rear facing seat with storage underneath it. The backs articulate forward and back so you can make it into a giant lounge. On the port side where the companion seat is, this seat is electric and raises and lowers. Same thing with the captain helm seat. You have the starboard side entertainment area with a live well and refrigerator. At the helm you can tell the boat is a joystick boat. We have a pair of white V8 300 Mercuries. Enough room on this dash for a large 16-inch display of your choice. As you move forward through the large superstructure on the windshield, you have a massive forward seating area with lots of drink holders, remotes for the stereo, freshwater washdown, anchor hold. As you come back through the boat again, on the starboard side, and the constant large head with a vacuum flush toilet and sink. And then on the port side of the boat, you have what's called a day cabin. This is a nice sofa area. You can see there's some product in here that's being on the boat for prepping it for delivery. We have many more of these to choose from. So if you would like some more information about our Boston Whaler Vantage, please give me a call, Slade Sackerman, 239-229-8862 on Fort Myers MarineMax. Thanks for watching.